Okay, next one. No, number of bag of rice. X, right? Okay. Okay. CP equals to what? 24x plus what? 103. This is the cost price, right? Okay. Selling price is equal to what? 33x minus s square over 20. If they say C equals this, that is cost price equals this, and they say S equals, that is selling price, they use S for SP, but I prefer SP. They use C for CP, but I prefer CP. Is that okay? Now this is the CP, this is the SP. Okay. Question A, under this question, we are told to find expression for the profit. Find expression for the profit. If we are told to find expression for the profit, we know that profit is SP minus CP, right? That means this SP minus this P, this CP, this SP minus this CP. That is what they want you to do. They want you to subtract CP from SP. That's the expression. They call it expression because the value of X is not known. So you just call it expression. So we write 3x minus. They told you it is profit. Profit means selling price is more than the cost price. So minus this one, 2, 4x, minus this one, 103. We have subtracted the cost price from the selling price. Is that okay? Now let's reduce it. 33 minus 24. That's 9x, right? So we have 9x minus s square over 20, then minus 103. This is the expression they say you should find. Find expression for the profit. Then B. Okay. Now, number of bags sold now. Number of bags of rice sold is 20. You know, initially we say it is X. Now, our X is 20 because we know our X now. So anywhere you see X in the profit, what do you write? You write 20, right? But what are they asking you to do? Calculate the percentage profit, right? Okay. Now, these are our profit. Don't forget this is the profit. Profit is this one. Okay. Percentage profit now will be SP minus CP, or profit, right? Profit percentage, right, will be profit over CP times what? 100. Our profit is already known. These are our profit, then over CP. To reduce it, let's find the CP and profit separately. All right? So let's find profit separately here. We say 9. Let's do it somewhere. That is somewhere here. This is the profit, right? It's not so. This is the profit. Find the expression for the profit. So, and this is the profit. So let's write the profit out. Profit is 9 times 20, right? Minus 20 squared over 20, right? Minus 103. This one will give us 180. 20 will cancel 20, Rabi. Minus 20. Minus 103. So subtract everything. So profit is equal to 57, right? That is what's going to be here. Let's find the expression for the cost price. The cost price is this, right? Cost price is 24 times 20 plus 103. 480 plus 103. 583, I think. 583, right? 583. So profit percentage now will be profit. Where's profit that time? 57 over cost price times 100. So find out. 9.78. Okay. 9.78. That means 9.8. That is the percentage profit. Let's do one more question here before we call it quit on this video. I mean number 2 right now. Selling price 6,900. Percentage profit 15. So this guy sold something for 6,900, right? Yeah. And he made a profit of 15%. First of all, let's calculate the cost price. If I made a profit of 15%, meaning my cost price is 100, right? Percent. My selling price is going to be 100% plus 15%. That will be 115%. Why? Because I made a profit of 15%, right? Yeah. So how will I express it? I will say 115% of cost price is equal to what? Selling price. Equal to selling price. So we write 115 over 100 times CP equals to 6,900. So cross multiply for me. 6900. Divide both sides for me by 115. That will give me the cost price. So the cost price is 6,000. Okay. So that means it made a profit of 900 naira, right? If selling price is 69 and cost price is 6,000, it made a profit of 900 naira. So what is the question saying? Percentage profit. Okay. If what? SP is equal to what? 6,600, right? Calculate percentage profit if SP is equal to 6,600. That means this time around, percentage profit will not be up to 15 again. Can you see a reduction from 69 to 66? Meaning the percentage profit now will not be up to 15 again. All right. So let's use formula for that one. We say percentage profit is equal to SP minus CP over what? CP times what? 100, right? SP now is 6,600. CP is what? CP is 6,000, right? Over CP times 100. The difference of this amount is 600, right? It's not so. 6,000. So this is a 6,000 times 100, right? Right? That's 10, Abi. This 30 we cancel this 30, right? 6 goes in 60. That will be 10%. Can you see a drop in percentage from 15 to 10? Because there's a drop in selling price from 69 to 600. Is that okay? That is the end of this question. If you benefit from this lesson, watch out for the last lesson on percentage lost and percentage gain.